Today we're going to learn about completing the square. Let's say we have a problem like this. Convert 5x squared plus 15x minus 2 to vertex form. Now, to convert a quadratic equation from general form to vertex form, we have to use the completing the square method. So now let's rewrite this equation. But when we rewrite this equation here, let's break it up into two parts. The first part is going to be 5x squared plus 15x. And the second part is going to be minus 2, or negative 2. So, as we can see, here in the first part, which is inside parentheses, that matters a lot, which is inside parentheses, is ax squared plus bx. And then plus c, or in this case minus c, is on the outside of the parentheses. Or it's not, it's part of the second group. So, we have y is equal to, in parentheses, 5x squared plus 15x. Now, we have to divide both the terms, the ax squared and bx, by a. So here a is 5, not 5x squared. A is 5. Divide this term by 5. So when we do that, we get y is equal to 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x squared is the same thing as x squared. So x squared plus 15 divided by 5 is 3x. Parentheses closed, minus 2. Now the next part of completing the square is making this first part a perfect trinomial. So, in a perfect trinomial, this would be the square of one binomial. So what that means would be that one binomial multiplied by itself would become that perfect trinomial. But to do that, we need a c value. Because here we just have 1x squared, 1 is the a value. Here we have plus 3x, 3 is the b value, but we don't have a c value. To find that c value, we use the equation, the square of b over 2a. So b over 2a squared. So this is equal to, in this example, we have 3, which is b, 3 over 2a, 2 times 1 is 2, squared, which becomes 1.5 squared, which is equal to, let's do this on a calculator. 1.5 squared is equal to 2.25. 1.5 squared is equal to 2.25. So now, let's put this into our equation. Y is equal to x squared. Oh, and one thing to remember here is that this 5 does not disappear. This 5 comes down here and becomes 5 times, in parentheses, this number. So y is equal to 5 times this number. So here, y is equal to 5 times, in parentheses, x squared plus 3x plus 2.25 minus 2. Now, here, as we can see, we've added 2.25 inside the parentheses. But this is not the same as the original equation. So now we have to cancel whatever we added outside in the second part. So here we didn't just add 2.25. We added 5 times 2.25. So we have to subtract 5 times 2.25. 5 times 2.25 is 11.25. 11.25. Now it might just seem stupid to add something inside the parentheses and then cancel it out here, or take it out right here and just add 0. But, however, this is a crucial step towards converting it to vertex form. So now we do y is equal to, the reason this is a crucial step is because it gives us this perfect trinomial, and it also tells us at the end of vertex form what to subtract. So now we have to write this in vertex form. Y is equal to 5, this a comes down here, times in parentheses x minus, now here what we write is b over 2a, b over 2a, which becomes, b over 2a is the same thing as, in here, 3 over 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. So it's 3 over 2, which is 1.5, minus 1.5, parentheses closed, squared, minus, here, or plus, negative 2 minus 11.25 is negative 13.25. And we know that when we add a negative, we're just subtracting 13.25. So the answer to this problem is y is equal to 5 times in parentheses x minus 1.5 squared minus 13.25. Today we learned about completing the square. Thank you for watching this video.